Morning. Today we are coming to Epcot to finish around the world, meet Anna and Elsa and go on the Frozen ride. We're a little bit late for rope drop, so I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. Late for the on-site guests, but not late for the public. But Guardians is, it's been busy coming in, but we ended up coming in the first car park. I don't know why. There was a massive queue for the further away car park, and she just sent us straight to the front, the very front Wally. So loving life there. So yeah, Epcot today, and then we're going to Blizzard Beach. Shoes today. Let's see how comfy these are. They feel lovely already, but I've never wore them. Guardians is closed, and we think it's for a ticketed event because there's an event for parking. They're obviously, the cast members are lying and saying that it's not, but it's got to be because they haven't even opened the queue, so nobody in the public can see it. And I've got a feeling that that big, massive queue when we came in was going for that. And that's fine. I just think there needs to be a little bit more transparent about it. But yeah, we're heading to Spaceship Earth instead.
This is Spaceship Earth Patrol.
Our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds black is inventing papyrus, a sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping of plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in the future, your home in the country will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want. Almost as soon as you do. Your closet will be like a personal stylist, picking outfits based on your preferences and what's on your calendar for the day. Now that's a smart look. Your smart home has everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network lets you view your daily planner almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cleaning, robotic housekeepers will help you with your daily chores. They'll know what you need to take with you. Sometimes even before you do.
So we've just done Spaceship Earth. It's a great ride. It's like a history lesson onto communications and how it's changed over the years. Really, really good. We're now going to head over to Living with the Land, Figment, Nemo's, and probably have a look around the aquarium there. Just getting on Living with the Land, and it is a 5-minute queue. This is like a little boat ride. So this was just a walk on straight away. So nice relaxing boat ride. Air cons as well.
The surface of the land, even the hooves of the mighty buffalo help to create the rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm. U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to...
Living with the Land was brilliant as usual. It is one of our, you just relax and you learn so much in there, and you get to see all the fruits and vegetables growing, see the fish. It's really, really interesting. I love it. So we're just heading over to Nemo now. It's a 5-minute wait, and then we're going to go into the aquarium to have a look round. Emmy wants to be a marine biologist when she's older, so it'll be perfect for her. And the Nemo ride isn't like Paris. I don't think it's like that. It's more of you sit in a shell and you go through the sea. So the Nemo ride is, I would never queue more than 10 minutes for it, but it's cute for the children. We're going to go to Shark World and have a look around. Oh, she's fast. Oh goodness me, that is like a snake.
Their eyes are a bit red.
That is big. That is the face of a hippo.
CiCis.
We've just finished inside of the aquarium. We're now heading over to Journey into Imagination with Figment, which is a 5-minute queue as well. So we've just finished with Figment. I'm not really sure what we've just ridden. It was very, very weird. I definitely wouldn't queue more than 5 minutes for it. I don't even know what we've just watched. It's a very slow ride with little scenes. Good for little kids, but definitely wouldn't waste a queue on it. This part looks okay. I think this is a character meet and greet in here. Oh, hello, Stitch.
I'll get stay over it. How do you meet Stitch?
I don't think you meet them, Scott. I think they just say hello.
If you're impressed, imagine how I feel, Mom. Welcome to the family, Madrigal. The home of the family, Madrigal. Hey, coming through! I know it sounds a bit fantastical and magical, but I'm part of family, Madrigal. To that hello. Thank you so much for stopping by. I get it. You must have heard the music. Well, you came right on time.
Thank you.
Finished the Encanto experience, fantastic. Now we're going on to Mission Space, so it's only 10 minutes. Said 20 minutes for the orange, we've decided to go for it. So we've just finished Mission Space, which was really intense. We went the orange side because it was walk on. Just know that the G-force is unbelievable. You just have to focus straight forward and you'll be all right, because I'm quite sick to motion sickness, but it was fine. And then luckily Guardians is just open, so we just ran and it looks about a 20-minute queue. Super excited. Here we are in the queue. I don't even know how long it's been, but not bad at all so far. We're nearly at the first room. We just finished Guardians and it was fantastic. We were in the queue for an hour. Well worth it. It's one of the best rides here. Row 9, and we had Burn Baby Burn as our song this time. We're now going to head round to Anna and Elsa, do the ride, do the meet and greet, and then we are going to Blizzard Beach. We finished around the world at China the other day because we needed to get to the hospital. So we are going to start on the left-hand side this time and go through Mexico first. Now, unfortunately, I think what we're going to do is just walk through these 3 countries because we do want to just get Anna and Elsa's meet and greet done. And then we want to head out. It is scorching hot. I always find Epcot around the world quite hot. I think it's all the concrete on the floors, but yeah, we're done after this, I think. Want to get to that water park. Right, let's go and see where Anna and Elsa is. Here it is, and it is a 25-minute wait, so we're going in. We've just finished Anna and Elsa meet and greet. It was 20 minutes. Emmy's just getting herself a parasol for $26. It's out of her spending money. I wouldn't spend it, but she wants to. And then we've just done a mobile order for Regal Eagle. We're not going to get the meal that we got the other day. We've got like a children's menu. It comes to $27 for 3 of us to eat. Harvey's just got his orange chicken in China while we were in the queue for Anna and Elsa, and we're walking around, and then we are going because it is hot, hot, hot. Here we are at Regal Eagle. This is a children's meal. It's chips, beans, mac and cheese, $8, $8, $8. And where's that dessert? And then $6, and you get your free drinks. Not bad at all. Absolutely beautiful lunch there in Regal Eagle. I didn't get any meat. Scott had a very basic burger, but honestly, you cannot complain for the price. Get the children's meals, they are so worth it. The fact you get a drink and 2 sides that you can choose, it is amazing. Mine was so filling, I'm so full now. And the banana pudding was stunning as well. Really worth the money. That's the golf. So there's the time. So the golf is open until 10 p.m. and the beach is open until 6 p.m. We've never done the golf. We might do it today if we've got any energy left because we're all a little bit tired today. Here we are. It's really, really warm today. Can't actually wait to get in here. There's the prices. So we've just got to Blizzard Beach and the bloody grey clouds came out, which is fine, but it's still really warm. But I was hoping to catch a little bit of a tan, but here it is. There's a lovely wave pool and there's loads of slides that my husband will take you around later on. Right, I think this is Harvey or Scott. I think it's Harvey. Here we go. Yeah, it's Harvey. You can see Scott waving at the very top. Oh God, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here's Scott coming down. Hopefully. That is what I think got right there. My back. So for dinner we're going to have CiCis pizza. It says Monday and Tuesday. You can get the buffet for $5.99 each. So we're going to see if you can. Although this one looks a little bit derelict. So I'm not sure whether it's open. Oh no, it's open. I can see it. So this is the CiCis that we're going into. Come and join us for our lovely buffet. I've gone for jalapenos, chicken and bacon, garlic bread, cheesy pasta. Harvey's gone for a garlic bread, pepperoni pizza and a mac and cheese pizza and some soup. And Scott's gone for a pudding, which is an apple pie pizza, brownie, and I'm not sure what that one is. This was an absolute bargain. It was $38 because a wonderful woman came up to us in the queue and gave us 2 coupons. But if you download the app, it's actually $5.99 each for the buffet. So if you can download the app, it's even cheaper. But yeah, £38, and we have eaten a lot. I've had 2 plates of food, and it is delicious food. Really delicious, freshly cooked. Just got some dessert. This is an apple crumble, a cinnamon swirl and a brownie.